Look how effortlessly it is though.
It's easy, isn't it?
Yeah, but they just look like it just hovers and then fucks off.
Yeah, well, that might be worth us trying, just sending it upwards.
Oh, it just feels like it's just going to be snapping real fucking hard into the ground there.
Are you going to try it? Or do you want me to launch it for you? I'll try one and then you try one.
Okay, hang on a sec. Throttle back and pull back.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm back home, and as you would have seen from the rest of the video, things didn't go so well. So I am proper gutted. It's taken me a month to make the time to be able to put this all together, and it just didn't want to fly. So everything, when you read the manual, look online, it talks about making sure you got the CG done, which I did. You want to put some extra ballast into it. It's a little bit front heavy, which I did. And it was literally kind of minuscule front heavy, but you could see whenever launching it, it would just dive straight down all the time. And I originally thought that on the way back that maybe I needed to adjust the ailerons or something, but I'm looking and I think it's right still, so I still can't work out what it is. Perhaps it's launch method or something, but this thing is, it looks like a shark's taken a massive bite out of it. So much for the indestructible foam. I guess it can't stand up to a prop ripping off and eating through it. So I need to price up how much it's going to cost to repair it. I think off the top of my head it's going to be about, well, if I just buy a new body, that's about $50 if I get it from Hong Kong plus shipping. It's probably about $60, so about 40 odd pounds. If I get the kit in the UK, it's probably about £100. So I need to properly work out how much it's going to cost. I'll put a little note under here if I've got time to work it out before the video goes live. But yeah, proper gutted. I knew this wasn't going to be easy, and I knew that it was going to hit the ground a couple of times, but I didn't expect it to be this difficult. And there's, you know, when you look at some of the videos, you know, they're just tossing it into the air, and it's kind of, it looks like it's some anti-gravity thing. It just kind of hovers and flies away. So I still can't work out what was going on with it. It's literally just diving in every time. And the last flight, actually, where it ripped itself to bits, took the ballast out. So I don't know. If you have one of these and you can see what obviously we're doing wrong, then please let me know. So I think what I'm going to do is, obviously I spent so much money building it, I will rebuild it one more time, try again. Maybe I need more throttle, I don't know. It's just that balance of, you know, you don't want to be breaking this thing that you spent so long building, so you don't want to just kind of full power and just chuck it and motor it as fast as you can into the ground. But maybe I need to apply more throttle, maybe that's gonna fix the problem. But we will rebuild it. Have to wait until a few paydays to get it put back together, and then yep, see what happens. And if it destroys itself again, then I think I will probably call it a day and just stick with the quads, and perhaps a wing isn't for me, and then perhaps I can just sell the parts to someone else that is building one of these Caipirinhas and can use the stuff better than me. Or maybe I might switch some of the stuff over onto my Luminaire QAV 250, but I'm happy with how this flies, so I don't know. So yeah, gutted in the way I'm ending this series. I was hoping it was going to be, you know, the lengthy build process, and I don't know if you guys enjoyed those videos or not, because they were pretty lengthy. And then we're going to have this maiden flight, and we're going to have a couple of crashes, but then we're going to have this nice kind of beautiful flight, and we didn't. Just end up being pretty pissed off that it's wrecked. Could have been worse though. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.